What does TFTI mean? How to use it? TFTI is an acronym that stands for Thanks for the Invite. It is usually used in a sarcastic way to express disappointment or annoyance when someone was not invited to an event or activity. For example, if you see your friends having fun at a party on social media, and they did not invite you, you might text them "Wow, TFTI" to show that you feel left out. Sometimes, TFTI can also mean thanks for the info, but this is less common. Here are some examples of using TFTI in different contexts. Hey, I had a great time at the concert last night. The band was amazing. B. Oh, really? TFTI. I would have loved to see them live. Hey, did you hear about the new update for our favorite game? They added some cool features and fixed some bugs. B. No, I didn't. TFTI. I'm going to check it out right now. Hey, I just got back from Hawaii. It was so beautiful and relaxing. I took a lot of photos and videos. B. Wow, TFTI. You know how much I love Hawaii. You could have at least invited me to join you. Hey, guess what? I won the lottery. I'm so happy and excited. I'm going to buy a new house and a car. B. Wow, congrats. TFTI. Maybe you can share some of your luck with me.